The Secret to Understanding Women's Desires, Unveiling the Truth. Hey everyone, let's dive into a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds lately. Have you ever wondered what women, including feminists, truly desire from men? What are some of the things they might not openly admit? Let's explore this together. We're living in a time where a lot of women are embracing traits traditionally associated with men. They might dress, walk, talk, and even swear like men. I've been there myself, and if I could figure it out, so can anyone else. Many women today see life as a constant competition to outdo men, and in relationships, they might take charge, refusing to share domestic responsibilities or cook meals. They believe this is their way of fighting against the patriarchy, thinking it's what they truly want because that's what they've been told. But here's the thing, deep down, this isn't what they really desire. What many modern women, including feminists, won't openly admit is that they actually want and need men to take control. They want someone to lead, not to dominate or control them, but to guide with strength and confidence. The key is to lead in a way that makes them feel safe and cared for, allowing them to let go and trust in your leadership. In short, women want to be able to surrender to your masculine energy. Don't just take my word for it. Look at the millions of romance novels out there, read by women, and you'll find a common theme, the desire for a strong, leading male figure. So, what does taking control actually look like? It means making decisions, like choosing where to go for coffee or picking a restaurant, while still considering her preferences and allergies. You're not just sitting back and asking her where she wants to go because you think it's the nice thing to do. Women don't want a nice guys, they want someone with strength and leadership skills. When problems arise, they want you to step up, put on your big boy pants, and handle things effectively. They want you to take charge and decide on a course of action. These are skills that can be developed over time. When you start taking the lead, things become more effortless, she'll respect you more, and your relationship will run more smoothly. If you're single, women will find you more attractive. A lot of guys today are afraid of saying or doing the wrong thing, afraid of losing her approval. But when you step up and act like a man, she'll appreciate it, even if she doesn't say it out loud. When you lead, she'll naturally act more like a woman. So don't be afraid to take the reins in your relationship, whether you're already in one, dating, or still looking. If you don't have the confidence to lead, you might end up in dramatic, toxic relationships or get rejected outright. You might even hear the dreaded phrase, "You're a really nice guy." If you're struggling to connect with someone and worry about ending up alone, it's time to shift your focus. Building genuine confidence can transform you into the kind of person others naturally gravitate toward, even those who might outwardly embrace feminist ideals but still appreciate traditional masculinity. My Wake Up to Love program is designed to guide you through this journey, helping you develop the qualities that make you irresistible. Whether you're looking to enhance your self-assurance or simply understand what truly attracts people, this program has you covered. Thanks for taking the time to explore this, I genuinely appreciate your interest. Wishing you all the best on your path to finding meaningful connections.